Hello, how you doing? I've upgraded to bougie class. You've seen my no-name beer collection. You know I'm bougie. You know where I'm at. We're friends. We've been down this road before. Also, you may have noticed my brand spanking new wall here. Let me take you for a tour of my new room. Let's go. Recently, a very good friend of mine, my roommate, took it upon herself to create an amazing space for me to kick off this YouTube journey and live in. But let's be real, internet fame is a little more important than life these days. She did an amazing job. She turned a wall into a mural, my desk area into an actual studio, with a corkboard wall. All these walls beforehand, they were painted white. You'll notice they're not that color anymore. I left for one weekend and I came back to this. So thank you very much. Hi, welcome to another episode of It's Hot in My Room. Today we are sponsored by Collective Arts, I think. That's quality. Collective Arts. You know the deal, same gag as always. Pay me your life or your wife, you choose. This one's all about Reddit. I spent all of last weekend just learning how to do Reddit, how to use it, because I don't know what it is at all, okay? I'm behind on the times, but I've learned quickly. And I learned as well that there's really not any YouTube videos on how to use Reddit to promote a YouTube channel, but it's not all that hard. Now, it took me a long time to get around to it because I was Googling, how do you promote your YouTube channel? And it takes you to a million videos that tell you the exact same thing. Thumbnails, titles, SEO. That's it. I just saved you 10 hours of watching YouTube. That's the summary of all of them. Without further ado, let's jump right into what you came here for. It's time to talk about Reddit. So from what I've found, first things first, there are a couple subreddits that you're gonna need karma to start posting on and stuff. I really like the idea because what you're doing is giving to the community, and the community gives to you so that you can promote a bit. I've got a few subreddits written right here, and they're where you're gonna spend most of your time. All right, r/YouTubers, small YT channel, YouTubers. There's even ones like sub for sub, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend because it might mess with your YouTube metrics a bit, and that might affect how your channel is promoted by the algorithm. So, you can get a couple here and there for sure, but don't bank on it for all your subscribers. There's more. Here's a list of them. I'm gonna throw a couple here, and there's one right here. Boom, it's down here now. All right, there's a lot of them. And you're gonna have to go through them and learn about what they're like, because they all operate differently. They all have their own rules. All right, there are some like the advertise your videos where you can, and there are some like r/videos where you just can't advertise your videos. Well, you can, but I might not do it there for reasons. You'll find out. You're smart people. I have given you the book. Read about it and come back to me and tell me what you read. But there are cool features on ones like Small YT channel where it uses what's called Lambda as like currency for advertising yourself. Other people in the community have to choose to give you Lambda for helping them with something. So someone says, hey, I need help with this. And you say, hey, here's a couple cool ideas. Then in their reply to you, they put in a thing that gives you Lambda. And then you can spend that to promote your channel, which is really cool. I love that. And when you see someone spend like 3 Lambda to promote their YouTube video, you're like, wow, they earned it. To get karma, just post helpful things, help people out, or post funny things. I have a bunch of karma now because I just keep posting on history memes, because I like history memes, and I post funny things on them, and other people think they're funny, and that means that I'm funny. So you gotta listen to me, because I'm the funny guy in the room. That means I'm the man with the biggest social kahunas.
Big Kahuna Burger. That's that Hawaiian burger joint. I hear they got some tasty burgers.
I'm topical, I'm tropical. Get with it or get out. That's about it. And in terms of other promotion, I was gonna make a whole video on YouTube or Facebook promotion as well. But honestly, go on Facebook, do what I've done here. Look for Facebook groups about small YouTubers, gaming YouTubers, if that's your thing. Get more views, advertise on YouTube, things like that. Just, keep looking. And maybe ask people in those groups, hey, are there any other groups that you're in that I can, check out and become a part of, because I'm really working hard at this thing. And just engage with those communities. That's what's gonna help you, is not just dropping your YouTube dick pic on some channel, but going there and, building up the trust to get to the eventual dick pic and the eventual hey you up text of YouTube, which is a subscriber. I don't get very many you up texts.
People don't. My dick pics aren't nice.
Now to the couch. Let's chill over here. Hey, so yeah, I just kind of want to update everyone on my hand situation, because I have the removable cast. As you can see, I can do this with my hand now. This is functioning. Will I be a real boy soon? Will I? Editing is going a little bit faster now. Little bit. It's still difficult. I can't I know it looks like I'm doing all right, but it's still rough in my hand. I still have to take a 30-minute break because my hand hurts. But I'm alive. The hand is healing. I'm ahead of schedule for healing because I'm doing a lot of physio sitting at home. So yeah, if you ever break your hand, it's not the end of the world. You can still do YouTube if that's your thing. You can still edit photos if that's your thing. And every other person on the planet doesn't exist. So hey, good news. Yeah, I want to run through some thank yous for this video. As always, 3 thank yous a video. You know the drill. Lining them up. First up, number 1, my good pal, Arnab. What a sweetheart. He comments on all the videos. He likes them. He gives me advice. He helps me figure out funny jokes. He's a good guy. If you're into a little bit of poetry, a little bit of classical, check out his sister's YouTube. She's got some very nice stuff on there. Hence, number 2, everyone at Genuine Tea. I work for a company called Genuine Tea. If you haven't checked them out on Instagram, on YouTube, do that. If you haven't bought all our stock, do that. If you're not willing to throw all your money at me, maybe you'll throw all your money at Tea and the company. I don't know where I'm going with this, but thank you very much. Everyone at Genuine Tea, my bosses Dave and Sarah and Rachel have been incredibly supportive. They were some of the first to see my very first video before it ever went live. And, everyone in the office took a second to just sit down and watch my video, which was super cool. Third, finally, number 3, Argavan. Yo, how you doing? If you got this far in the video and you're actually seeing your own thank you, you are actually a friggin' trooper. Prime time. We have a similar sense of humor. Yeah, she's really supportive. She laughs at all of it and reaffirms to me that I am a funny person, and also just another one of those people like Ghostbusters. I never see Argavan anymore, and
It's been too long. Let's hang out, huh?
anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on the comfy couch. I hope you have a beautiful day. ASMR. Chills.
Carpet, dreamers, inner, schemer, flipper, demons, eating, dinner, finger licking, gonna win a finish from the killing dome, drilling run, fuck a nice skilling done, skillet hunt, skillet, I finished on, fishy been a minute one, meant to yet another one, and Icky but a bubble gone, honey wonders I'm the one, 1-to-1, cat truck, troublesome, bats up, dumb hats off, 1-on-1.